Thanks, Chairman. Ms. Altman, I have a bill called the Medicare and Social Security Fair Share Act that would do a number of things: lift the cap on contributions for salary above $400,000, and then also bring in self-employment and investment income, including wages that are basically often disguised by high earners as distributed profits, dodging the Medicare and Social Security systems. The Medicare and Social Security actuaries have both taken a look at the bill and said that they make those programs sound and solvent as far as the actuarial eye can see, which is 75 years. What is your comment on those ideas? How complicated would that be to actually implement? And does it meet your notion of a fairness test?
A senator just claimed that a change billionaires wouldn't even notice could save Social Security for 75 years. But is it really that simple?
In our Social Security Coalition has endorsed that legislation. It really shows that the question before this committee and Congress is one of values, not affordability. No one under $400,000 would pay a penny more under yours, and yet Social Security would be extended for 75 years, and I would argue it doesn't burden those over $400,000. It's I think, well crafted.
Yeah,
So it's not about money, it's about choice. And Whitehouse zeroes in on exactly that.
I agree with you. It's a question of will around here, not a question of solving some abstruse technical problem. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to be very sophisticated at accounting and tax. You just have to want to fix Medicare and Social Security, and then all the pieces fall into place.
Now we get to the most striking part. What does money actually mean depending on who holds it?
To fix Medicare and Social Security, and then all the pieces fall into place.
And if I may say, this is a heavily polled area, and every poll shows that from the most conservative Republicans to the most progressive Democrats, they want this solved on the revenue side, not with a single penny of benefit cuts. So your proposal and the Ranking Member Sanders' proposal are exactly what 80% of the American people say they want, or a higher percentage.
There's a concept in economics that's often referred to as the marginal utility of money, or the marginal value of money. And it hypothesizes that if you're struggling to make a living as a nurse or a carpenter on construction, let's say it's your last $1,000. Your last $1,000 is a big deal to you. If that last $1,000 disappears, you damn well notice it at the end of the month, and it affects your choices, it affects your lifestyle. If you are a hedge fund character and you make $200 million in a year, the last $1,000 has essentially zero value to you. You don't even know whether it's there or not. Just your portfolio wobbling around is enough to erase and replace that on a daily basis. And so, is it fair to consider the concept of the marginal utility of money?
This analogy is the heart of the video. This is the moment viewers will say, wait, that's actually true.
Aside.
Yeah. Yes, and in fact, on the spending side as well, Social Security benefits generally go to low, middle-income people who spend them in their local communities immediately. And it's been estimated that for every $1 of Social Security benefits that's paid, it's $2 of economic activity. I think it's 12 million jobs that were created in 2023, that kind of thing. So absolutely, your proposal, and again, Senator Sanders' proposal, will strengthen the economy, whereas any benefit cuts will weaken the economy.
Yeah,
and now comes the line that closes the video. That famous goose feathers metaphor.
Benefit side, I meant on the revenue side.
Yeah, and that's,
On the revenue side, is it not fairer to look at funding Social Security and Medicare out of the wealth
yes.
that very wealthy people don't even know exists, that they'll never know if it's not there? It's marginal utility dollar, zero value compared to people who are working on a regular salary and paying taxes like regular human beings.
Absolutely. It's unimaginable. A trillionaire, Elon Musk, he can spend that in 100 lifetimes. And so absolutely on the revenue side, and it's a basic American value that we have progressive taxation for just the reasons you're saying. So I think it's absolutely the right way to think about it.
I think Ben Franklin said that the trick to taxation is to get as many feathers as you can off the goose without the goose honking. This is like huge feather pillows worth of feathers that a goose like Elon Musk would never notice. Never notice. It has literally zero value or utility to him, and yet deployed in this way can enhance the economy and enhance the quality of people's lives. Thank you.